Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new mascara. Never tried it before, landed on my desk today. It is by Huda One Coat Wow. And there's also two kohl pencils, which look to me like a black and a brown. So I'll swatch those and then we'll put some mascara on and see how it looks on my pathetic lashes. So first up, swatches here on the back of my hand of the two lovely kohls, and these are kohls that you wind up and wind down. They're long wear, so I'm just going to let them set a little bit before I give them a good hard rub, and then we'll see how long wear they are. So on one side of my eye, I will be applying the mascara on uncurled lashes. On this eye, I'll curl the lashes and we'll see if there's any difference. So let me just curl the lashes to begin with. Whenever I curl somebody's lashes, it's not my own, I always say as I'm going in, skin, basically asking them, have I caught any skin? And if they say no, I squeeze. And if they say yes, depending on if I like them, I squeeze more. So let's just give these a curl. Opens up the eye immediately. Okay. Never used this mascara before. So this is what the wand looks like. I don't know anything about this. Here's a fun fact. I'm not on massive amounts of PR lists, I'm really not. And Huda Beauty has been one of the few that has consistently sent me products, even when I don't always review them. And that's just very, very nice. Here's my mirror. I'm going to try and bring it in a bit closer, and let's see. I am shocking at applying mascara to myself. I'm notorious for getting it all over the eyelid and anywhere else I can possibly try and get it, because that's just the way I am. On you, I'm not too bad at all, but on myself, I'm not brilliant. So this is just very carefully gliding it through the lashes on uncurled lashes. Let me move that back. So honestly, I've got bifocal glasses, so I can't see in the distance and I can't see close up either. Have a look. That actually curled the lashes quite well, considering that they weren't curled. I'm just going to put one coat on, and on this side we'll do two coats. That's really, I know it may not be too impactful, but in real life, that's really, really nice. Okay, so I'm not going to redip it. I'm just going to rotate it. And let's do this on curled lashes now. Just rotating to make sure that I get as much mascara as I can. I think I've got some on the lid. What a shocker. The thing with curled lashes as well is because they're curled up, it is actually easier to get mascara on the lid. And it's incredibly easy for me to do it. It really is. So that's one coat. Let's have a look. Very nice. So let's do two coats just because we can. I mean, that's basically where I need to be, like this. Honestly. Blind makeup artist. Okay. So two coats. Definitely got some on the lid. This is definitely more on the lengthening side. And I think we will stop there. That's a lovely mascara, minus any, boogies that I've got on my eyelid. That is a really nice mascara. Let's also quickly do the long wear rub test. Oh, I love a vigorous rub. That is long wear. Just gonna give it a little lick. Yep, it's not even moving when I wet it either. Very, very nice indeed. Should we put one of the kohl pencils in the eye? Just to see that we can get a bit of drama without having to do a lot of eyeshadow work. I love a kohl waterline. People always are like, oh, but it closes the eye. Yeah, it does. It does. And one of the things that makes people quite attractive is, especially in photos, is if when you're smiling, you slightly squint, just a fraction. But when you it gives a sexy effect to the eye and it looks very pretty in photos. And by putting kohl pencil into the waterline, you are naturally doing that. You're just shrinking the eye slightly. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. I just had this conversation on Twitter, or not on Twitter, on comments on YouTube. So I'll finish the video now, I promise, but I'm just going to mention it. Whenever I do any eye makeup, it's always done on my left eye. I always do it here. Now I can do my makeup on you fine. Somebody said, when I was reviewing an eyeshadow palette, and there were 2 of them, why don't you do the other colour on the other eye? This is a true fact. I can't. It is like I've picked up a makeup brush for the very first time in my whole life whenever I try and do makeup on my other eye. I am so used to applying it on one side only that I have lost the ability to be able to do eye makeup on that side, the right side of my face. It is bizarre. I bet you there's lots of other people out there as well who struggle doing 2 eyes. I can do it on you, on me, not a chance. Anyway, thanks for watching. Very good mascara. Very good. Wow. Still curled. Looks really good. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Oh, and thank you very much for the comments about my haircut being short. I very, very much like it being short. I really do. It is so much easier. I know it was never long, but I totally understand why women who have long hair just hate the process of washing and drying it. Mine wasn't long and it bored me to tears drying it with a hairdryer. This, I can go in the shower, do this, and it's pretty much dry within a few seconds, so I love it. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.